Welcome back to this channel. Here we are still working on the construction of polygons. So now we want to look at how we can construct a pentagon, a regular pentagon, okay, when we are given the length or side of the pentagon. Here we are given the length or side of the pentagon. So let's say the length or side of the pentagon is 40 millimeters. The length or side of the pentagon is 40 millimeters. So let's see how we can construct this pentagon. Okay, so what we have to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So here we have this horizontal line. So we have this horizontal line. Okay, so we have it like this. So on this horizontal line, I'm going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So 40 millimeters. So from here, so from this point, so to this point we have 40 millimeters. So I'm going to label this point. I'll label it as point A. So this is point A. I'll label this point as point B here. So we have this now. That is the length of the pentagon. So AB is the length of the pentagon, 40 millimeters. So what we have to do next, so put the midpoint of the compass here at point A and extend the pen. So extend the pen to point B here. So extend the pen to point B, and then you draw a circle. So turn it around like this, and you draw this circle. So you draw this circle by turning the compass around. So you draw this circle. Okay, so then bring the pin or the compass here to point B. So we touch point A here. So what we have to do now, okay, so I need to extend it a bit. So here we have this. So turn it around, turn the pen around, turn the compass. So turn it around, and then we have this circle like this. Okay, so here we have this. So these two circles, they intersect at this point, and they also intersect at this point. So this point, I'll call this point, I'll call it point C, and then this point, I'll call it point D here. So what we are to do now, so we have to draw a line. So draw a line through the point of intersection of the circles. So draw a line through the point of intersection of the circles. So you see how I'm going to do it here. So draw a line like this through the point of intersection of the circles as we have it here. So let me extend it up a bit. So we have this now. So then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so take the compass, so put the pin or the compass at point D here and extend the pen point to point B. Okay, so what you have to do now, so draw an arc like this. Okay, so draw an arc like this. So touching the circle on the right side and also on the left side. So this point, so where the arc touches the circle on this side, I will call it point E. So this is point E here. And I'll call this point here, I'll call it point F. So this is point F here. So we are working on the construction of a regular pentagon when the length or side of the pentagon is given to us. Now, so this point here, so where the arc touches this vertical line, I will call it point G. So this is point G here. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line from point E passing through point G, and it touches this circle. So this is what I mean. So set the ruler, so set it like this. Okay, set it like this. Okay, so draw a line from point E, and the line will pass through point G, and it touch the circle here. So touches the circle at this point. Then we also set it here at point F. So we draw a line from point F passing through point G and then touching the circle. So this is it. So just draw from here. So passing through point G. So draw like this, passing through point G and touching the circle here. So I'm going to call this point. So this point here. So this point is point G. Okay. And then this point is point H here. So we have this now. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we are going to take the compass and we take distance AB, which is the length of the regular pentagon that we are given, 40 millimeters. So raise it up like this. So put the pin at point G here on this circle. So make an arc here. So make an arc on the vertical line. Then put it here at point H here. So put it at point H, and then they will also meet at the same point. Okay, so what we have to do now is that, so we are going to join these 2 points. So we are going to join, so this point, so H this point, I'll call it point I. So this is point I here. So we are going to join these 2 points together. So join HI together with a straight line like this, and join okay, that's GI. So join HI together with a straight line. So we have this, okay. So we have this now. Then so join BH together. So join BH together with a straight line like this, and then join AG together with a straight line. So we have this now, okay. Then we join AB, so make the thick line from here to here. So this is the regular pentagon whose length or side is given. This is how to construct it when you are given the length or side of the pentagon. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this one. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.